This is a phone with scratches. We can use MearTech foam polishing machine to remove those scratches. First, to put it in the foam mold. Then we use the glue machine to sealing the phone.
Put the phone into MearTech foam polishing machine.
After polishing, screen becomes removed. Peel off the waterproof glue. We use the best glue. It won't leave in your phone. Last, let's remake the oleophobic layer. Apply the oil evenly. We use the most professional oleophobic liquid. Let's see the results. To remove phone scratches, choose MearTech foam polishing machine.